I noticed that there's actually quite a few things to observe. Today we were lucky. We came across something very interesting at the entrance. This place has some interesting spots. Penha is becoming alive at nighttime. This place has a character, I'm telling you. That was insane. I was wondering how on earth is this guy going to make any money on it. This is a theme that you could pick up. So beautiful. A little bit naughty. You can expect the people to be nice.
Teeth of the jungle. Education beyond adventure.
I'm in Penha, Brazil. This is where a large theme park is. We're gonna check it out tomorrow. It's a tiny little town, coastal town. But I noticed that there's actually quite a few things to observe, but they're all kind of hidden. Like, look at this restaurant over here. Look how they decorated it. It's pretty awesome. And yeah, it looks like a very neat little coastal town. I'm gonna stop at a couple of places and show you what it looks like. It's quite pretty, isn't it? To get here, we came from Ubatuba. From Ubatuba we caught a bus to Sao Paulo, and then from Sao Paulo we caught another bus to Curitiba. Now that was a 12-hour bus trip, and that was very challenging. It was very, very challenging through the mountains, spectacular mountains, and then we had breakfast in Curitiba and came to a place called Itajaí. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing these names correctly, but anyway, we came to this place called Itajaí, and then from there we caught an Uber. Yeah, that was quite interesting because the Uber drive took about half an hour. It's 25 kilometers, and it only cost us less than 50 real. That was insane. I was wondering how on earth is this guy going to make any money on it. So anyways, yeah, Uber is working for us as travelers, not so much for the drivers. That's where we are. So the chalet that I came from is probably about here. That's where the theme park is. So we're gonna walk over there tomorrow. And yeah, at the moment we're just gonna do a little walk out here. Check it out. Oh wow, that's a diving spot. Nice. Yeah, this place has some interesting spots. Yeah, well, like I said, we only came here because of the theme park, but hopefully we're gonna see something more than just the theme park. Like, look at this restaurant, or yeah, there's another restaurant further up. I'm gonna record that one as well. Like, really, really pleasant. People are nice. I mean, it's a very typical, tiny little community, so you can expect the people to be nice. Over here they have a park, Parque Terra Atlantica. I think it's like a playground for little kids. Now look at this restaurant. Looks really cool with that bamboo decoration on the outside. I love it. I wonder how much maintenance that requires, because I spent some time in a bamboo hut in Bali and that required a ton of maintenance. Look at this tree. Isn't that amazing? Now there's an even larger one up there. So beautiful. This place has a character, I'm telling you. This place is just getting better. Look at this. This is the Be Happy restaurant. Look at this papaya tree. It's missing the leaves and it's loaded with fruit. This is a theme that you could pick up. Like this whole little town has this theme park feel to it. It's full of these kind of buildings. It's so awesome. walked into a supermarket and we came across something very interesting at the entrance. It's a Bible. Penha is becoming alive at night time. The restaurants are opening up. It's a very different feel in Penha. After sunset, the restaurants are opening up. Families are coming out. The tourists are coming back from the theme park. So beautiful. Look at that. We saw turtles in the water earlier. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and take a look at the various restaurants. We already had a feed. We were very hungry. We had something called pastel. I think that's sometimes they call it pastel, other times they have a different name. Something similar to pastel. And what it is some puffed pastry, deep fried, a little bit naughty, and you can order it with various fillings. It's if it's prepared well and fresh, then it's amazing. It's super delicious. But sometimes the filling is very scarce. Today we were lucky. We got a lot of filling. I got mince, bit of shredded chicken, cheese, and eggs inside that puff pastry. So look at this restaurant. I got the churrasco going. I wonder. I think that's communal.
Opportunities come and go. Patience brings the reward. Teeth of the jungle. Education beyond adventure.